Aristo Soft Closer Installation. Components. The set includes the following components: 2 soft closers, left and right, 4 hex head assembly screws, 2 attachment elements, 8 screws for mounting the actuators, 2 screws to mount the soft closer to the attachment element, 2 bottom rollers with adjusting screws, 2 actuators, additional exchange springs for doors of different weights. Installation. Install the attachment elements inside of the top frame casing. Install the soft closer on the top side of the door. One side is fixed with an assembly screw. The second side is fixed to the small attachment element. When installing asymmetric profiles flat or C, the screw should be placed in the emission according to the tool marks, between 9 to 10. When installing symmetric profiles fusion or H, the screw should be placed in the emission according to the tool marks between 0 to 1. Test the door soft closer. There is no need to activate the door closer before installation. The actuator will activate it. Depending on the weight of the door, pick the appropriate spring. Replace it if necessary. Install the door into the tracks. Check whether there is a gap between the door and the side walls of the wardrobe. If there is a gap, adjust the door vertically with the adjusting screw of the bottom roller. After adjustment, the door should close neatly to the wall. Check the correct installation of the soft closer inside of the track. There should not be too much room. The door should not shake. In the case of shaking or too much room in the track, adjust the soft closer using above-mentioned tool marks. They should be aligned equally. Installation of the actuator. Mark the holes for the actuator inside of the track. The installation differs depending on the type of handle. For profiles flat and C, 167 mm. For fusion profile, 180 mm. For profile H, 176 mm. Install the actuator. Oval holes of the actuator allow you to adjust the position correctly. Activate the soft closer by latching soft closer and actuator. Test the soft closer. Common mistakes. Usually the most common mistake is jumping of the door. In this case, you need to adjust the actuator. Another common mistake can be the wrong selection of the spring. The door is closing either too slow or too fast and hits the side walls of the wardrobe. If there happens to be such problem, replace the spring with a more suitable one, depending on the weight of the door. A third common mistake is a wrongly aligned soft closer. In this case, there is too much room between soft closer and top track. This leads to a loose and shaky door. To solve this problem, adjust the soft closer using the engraved tool marks. They have to be aligned according to the profile type. Between 9 and 10 for the asymmetric profile types. Between 0 and 1 for the symmetric profile types. Additional notes. If you install the soft closer on an already assembled door, then the small attachment element can be carefully hammered into the frame with a rubber mallet.